let's learn how to change spacings here on the template. So we are using the variables for setting the sizes, right? And we use the sizings for spacings between elements, as you can see here, spacer medium, spacer large. And we also use here to set the font size of headings, right? So we can also notice that we are using rams, and at the first moment you might think, okay, why are we using rams if pixels are so much easier to work with? And that's true, pixels are easier to work with, but for accessibility we need to use the rams, right? So I'm just using this example by client first from FinSuite just to show you. So basically the user needs to have the ability to change the font size of your website inside the browser settings. So if you're using Chrome, and if you go to your settings, you need to be able to change the font size, right? And this font size needs to update into the website, right? And if you are using pixels, then if the user change here on the browser settings, nothing will happen. The font size will stay the same. And that's why it's important to use rams. Now, if you want to do the math, so let's say you want to know, okay, so 2 rams are equal to how many pixels? It's very simple. You just need to open the calculator and you just need to type the ram value and multiply by 16, right? So you have 32. So 2 rams are equal to 32 pixels. So the math is simple. It's just simple as that. So 1 ram is equal to 16 pixels. 1 ram is equal to 16 pixels. You don't need to actually do the math, just in case you want to know. So that's why we are using rams, and that's why this is actually a good move. You can also notice here we have the spacing we are using to set between the elements, right? So we have all of them right here. So of course, if you change them here, let's just change to, let's say, 10 ram, just so I can show you. And then of course, if you go here, you can see that this is already updated, right? Let's go back, let's remove. So yeah, it's very simple. You can just update the size here for the spacer. You can also update the size here for the spacing between the sections, right? So you have a lot of options here. You can just change. And also, of course, let's say you want to change the spacing for the mobile version. You can just change right here to whatever you want. So that's it about the spacings. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you.